Okay guys, in this video I got a package from Amazon which is doing poly nails, so I'm just gonna open it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, this is what the box looks like when it comes to you in the package. I really do think the packaging is really pretty. It has the directions of how you do it on the back, along with your ingredients and all the items. You get 6 colors along with the UV LED cure light. And this is what it looks like when you open it. And the colors that I got with this kit was clear, white, light pink, natural nude, the regular pink color, pink nude. Put all these back the way they were real quick. It also comes with a base coat bottle of the UV LED gel polish soak off, the slip solution for the polygel use, and then a top coat soak off UV LED gel polish solution. It also comes with the UV lamp, which can be plugged into your computer or a box if you have one. This is the cord to it. It's a C-type cord. And then this is the UV light, the part you plug it in. Okay, and if you lift this part up, the rest of your items are underneath it. All your little tip pieces that you use to create your little poly pieces that go on your fingers. It comes with fingernail clippers so you can cut it to the shape you want. A fingernail file. A buffer. And then it comes with a tool. Excuse me, bless me. And this tool opens up, and on one end you have a brush, and on the other end you have a little scooper that you'll use to get the slip solution out, along with the polygel. I'm just going to put both of these back on. Excuse me as I do this. I'm doing it one-handed as I hold my phone to film this. Okay, and I am going to be doing my nails an ombre type with one of these. I probably would do white and nude ombre color, and I will film that to show you guys for a video. If you guys did like this one, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The details of where you could buy this will be linked in the description for you to find it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please make sure you leave them in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with family and friends. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.